We're taking our customers' drawings and designs and concepts, and we're building them into reality, into a production system that we deliver next door.
Is there anything critical that you guys need or need to update on as far as timing goes?
Our program manager is Sam Cooney, who is responsible for being our main liaison between everyone at MPC and who our customer is. They take care of managing the timelines, all the money in and out for what happens with the program. Our current project engineers are Kasai Hassoun and Shane Kamela. They're responsible for dealing with all technical things on the project. They're the ones who have to take true ownership of it. Every aspect, the design of the tool, the tuning of the parts, making sure that we hit our dates on our timeline.
I spend so much time looking at paper prints of the part or the 3D CAD model, but there's just something about seeing the plastic go in and have the mold open and then seeing this physical part in your hand. It's really exciting. It makes me feel like a giant kid.
Our CAD designers are Devin Johnson and Connor Jeffrey, who design tools. They help out with part changes with our customers, and they can design just about anything.
I want to give a shout out to the tool shop for dealing with all my bad designs and telling me the way I should design it, I guess.
Well, welcome to my kingdom. It's my CMM room right here. So I have everything, all my weapons are in here.
Our metrologist is AJ, who is in charge of taking all those first off tool parts and measuring them to get all the data that we have. It's a very extensive job because there's a lot of measurement that we do. Our support engineer, Trish, is a very valuable person to have on the team. She's versatile in what she can do. Often enough in engineering you end up with something that is a bottleneck, and they're there to help with just about everything.
I like here that I'm treated as like a team member as opposed to just like someone like everyone's constantly opening doors for not wanting to make a stupid joke because there's a girl in the room or something. But no, everyone just treats me like one of the team, and that's really what I like most about it.
Justin Morton is our research and development engineer. He has an incredibly important job here. He does a lot of our mold flow, which is a very specialized engineering function. And he not only is the guy operating that, but he's developing the system that will allow other people to use that tool. If you name it, if it's new and upcoming in engineering, Justin's job is to figure out how we can take advantage of that.
To a certain extent, I don't really care what I'm doing. I just like to sort of dive in deep to finding solutions to problems and just kind of pushing technology and optimizing to the highest level.
Automations is the lazy engineer's way of not doing things because something in a machine will do it for you. Our automation team is Andrew Bronny, Kyle Morton, and Joseph McIntyre. They get to play with some of the coolest toys because they get the robots and all the fancy cameras to measure parts in process. If you could see the end of arm that Joseph created, I think everyone in the company can't wait to see that on a machine running.
Who doesn't want to come in and play with robots every day, right?
There was an end of arm that I know Justin really wanted to see, but he wasn't here that day. But I think 3 different people sent him videos of it working because it's like, I know you put all your effort into this and you just want to see it work. So with a team like this, everybody's got your back. Everybody's trying to make sure that it's like, yeah, look at what you did. That's awesome, and that's good stuff. Currently, we have one co-op. It's Scott Bowman. His main role here is to aid Sam in the program management side of things.
You would say it's awesome. I would say it's like awesome. Like somewhere between like close to awesome, but like sometimes he's just a little bit too energetic, and he's just like footballs in your face, stuff flying everywhere. But I'm lying. It's awesome.
We used to use Yoda hat as our target for our Nerf guns, and every time we dropped it, that's where we know who the winner is. And there used to be gifts as well.
I count myself very fortunate to be able to work alongside my brother. It's something that I've always wanted to be able to do at some point. He's worked on and worked through, and see him in a professional environment is very, really cool.
Yeah, honestly, so grateful to be able to work with that guy. He's, we've always had a pretty strong relationship as brothers, which I've always been grateful for, and it's been really neat just being able to bring that into the work environment.
My other co-workers sometimes came in their break times or free times to draw something on here to keep things productive as well as enjoyable.
We are the first step in quality products.
We are a cohesive team
That is innovative.
Dedicated.
And passionate about finding solutions.
We are the advanced engineering team.
We are the advanced engineering team.
We are the
The advanced engineering team. How's that?
Hey MPC, we're down at Nigon. It's October 20th. We're just filming a little video here for the MPC YouTube channel. Woo! I could definitely be a vlogger. You're not putting that in.